Hello, beautiful people. If you would like to know how to make this delicious ippies, look at that consistency. Stay tuned with me. So here are the ingredients that you will be needing. Keep in mind there is no wrong or right way to make this. You make it to your liking. I am showing you guys how I make it. I love it this way. It is so delicious and you just have to try it and let me know in the comment what you guys think. The only ingredient that I don't have here that you can add is cilantro. I didn't have cilantro, so I didn't add cilantro, but you can definitely add cilantro and it gives it a nice kick. I am Haitian, and growing up Haitian in a Haitian household, our parents do not use measurements. They eyeball everything. I'm going to try my best to give you guys the exact measurements, but you can always look in the description box, and that is where all the ingredients and the exact measurement or close to what I use will be listed in the description box. So here we have a really nice plate. I've already chopped up all of my vegetables that are going in the ippies, and I love to do this because it just makes it a lot easier, and I like to work in a clean space. So I have one medium onion chopped up. I have one bell pepper, one red pepper, 2 sticks of celery already chopped up. I have one Scotch bonnet pepper. That's optional, of course. I have a small piece of ginger. Ginger really adds that flavor to the ippies. And whenever you're making meat, try putting a little bit of ginger in there and you'll be amazed at the results. Ginger really changed the game of my ippies. So you can see here, it's not that much. It's a little small piece. You don't want it to be too overpowering. Here I have half of my curly parsley. I have 3 sticks of green onions and 3 Maggi cubes. Maggi cubes are also optional, but it really adds the flavor. You can make it without it if you want it to be more natural, but the Maggi cube really gives it that flavor, if you know what I mean. Garlic is what makes your ippies full of flavor. You have to put a lot of garlic. If you do not put enough garlic, your ippies will not taste as good as this one will taste. I have about 10 heads of garlic peeled and ready to be blended in this ippies. I'm also going to be using a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of thyme. I like to use the thyme in a container like this as opposed to the natural thyme that you buy with the sticks on it, because then I don't have to worry about the sticks being blended into the ippies. Olive oil. I'm going to be using this Mojo seasoning. It's very good. I got it from a store called Presidente. You can pretty much find it at any like Spanish store. I think I've seen it at Publix also, if I'm not mistaken, or Walmart. It's very good in the ippies. I'm also going to be using a little bit of seasoned salt and a little bit of complete seasoning. These are all optional, but they really make my ippies taste amazing. Hence the reason why I'm making this video. Try it and you definitely have to let me know. Now I'm getting ready to put all of my ingredients in the blender. I'm starting off with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to also put 1 tablespoon of the Mojo marinade seasoning. The reason why I'm putting it at the bottom of the blender is because I want it to have a little bit of liquid, so that way all the ingredients can blend well. So now I'm adding my ingredients in. I start off with the celery because celery is like a water base, so it's also going to help in blending everything evenly. You can basically put everything in the blender whichever way you like, but what I like to do is I like to just separate them. I put a little bit of everything and then I start over again just so everything can blend out evenly. It's in a blender, it's still going to blend out evenly, but it's just something that I do, guys. But you can put everything in the blender whichever way you like, and it's still going to come out the same. But that's just a habit. So I started off with my bell peppers, my garlic, my parsley, and then you see that I'm piling it up again. I'm starting up with the bell pepper again, the onions, the parsley, and then I'm going to put some more garlics on top right now. And I just like to do that because for some reason, I don't know why, guys, for some reason I just do it so that it can be evenly distributed and blend even better. Now I'm adding my seasonings on top. This is also optional, but if you want to try my earpiece out, you cannot do without. It really, really enhances the taste of the earpiece. Give it a try. Don't forget to leave it in the comment section for me. Let me know, guys. Let me know how this came out. So I just added my seasoned salt. I added some black pepper. I just put some salt in. And to finish it off, I put a little bit of marinade on top just so it can sink in and moisturize all the vegetable and blend even better. Now I'm going to put my blender on puree. And I have the Ninja Chef. The Ninja Chef is everything. I wanted to start off my channel with the Haitian earpiece because Haitian earpiece is really the base. It's really the base of everything that we make. I am going to be cooking a lot of Haitian food and Caribbean food. I felt like it was appropriate to start off with the base because practically everything I make, I'm using the earpiece for. So now I'm blending it and watch that blender go. Oh my God, this blender is amazing. Ninja Chef, hands down, so far is the best blender. It just does the work and it works very, very fast. So as the earpiece is blending, you can see the consistency, you can see the color. It's a nice green color. It's not too green. If it's too green, that means you put too much parsley, guys. So what you want to do is you want to taste your earpiece when it's done blending. Make sure the consistency is right and make sure that the flavor is the flavor that you're going for. I'm going to taste it, and if the flavor is the flavor that I'm going for, which it will be because I make it all the time, then I have nothing else to do. If it's not the flavor that I'm going for, I can always go back and add something to it. It is the exact flavor that I was going for. So now I'm just pouring it into my jar. And did I mention that I was Haitian? This jar was actually peanut butter. I just cleaned it out when I was done and I reused it. Why throw it away when you can put it to use? So now I'm just going to put the head of my jar over the jar and I'm going to store it in the refrigerator, and it can be stored for up to 1 month. After a month, guys, I would throw it away. I wouldn't keep it more than a month. Some people do freeze it, but I just prefer it to be fresh. I cook practically almost every 2 days, so my earpiece lasts me about maybe 2 to 3 weeks. And like I said, this earpiece is the base to almost every single meal that we make in a Haitian household. So guys, I hope you really like this video. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if there's any food that you would like me to do. And yeah, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.